How to repost videos on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to repost videos on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up TikTok application on your mobile phone or maybe on your laptop or PC. We know that we have a new update on TikTok that allows us to repost videos. So I'll actually show you, if you do not have the button, how to enable it and then simply repost videos. So let's get into it. First, what you have to do is you just have to select the video, right? Let's say I want to repost this video right here. Now you can see if I go to this share option right here, this share button that we have, it will give me the option of repost. It will look like arrows, like two arrows for reposting, and it will be shown right here with report, save video, set as wallpaper, and then there will be another option which is going to be repost. Now you can see I cannot see that option. Well, for me it's because of my region, but if you are not seeing this option right here, first of all, you can update your TikTok application, or second, just go to your profile right here, and then you have to click on these three lines at the top right corner and click on settings and privacy. So in your account settings, you just have to click on privacy, which is the second option, and then scroll down to right here is safety. And you can see I have different options. I have download, comments, duet, stitch. Then we have blocked accounts, profile views. So you will also see another option which is going to be repost, and just turn it on. Like I can turn off my profile view. So just like this, turn on your reposting and you will be able to repost TikTok videos. If you're not seeing that option, it's because of your region then, and just wait for TikTok new update and it will be in your region. So that's it, and that's how you can go ahead and repost videos. The option is in this share button right here, and just click on reposting and you will be able to repost the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.